Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star, and the next one is pentagon, the next one is square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. First we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using and mixing the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is square, the shape of square. Now we're using yellow color. So now we're using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. We are again using yellow color. The next one is circle, the shape of circle. Kids, now we're using the color of green. The last one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. We are again using green color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.